Hey guys, I know my posts haven't been as consistent as I would like, but I have been working on the launch of AdFab Design's new service, Pack Like a Pro, and also looking for interns to help me in order to edit some videos and do some photography, and I also need an executive assistant. So it's been pretty busy over here, but I did want to show you behind the scenes of my latest reel video. So let's go take a look. All right, so here we are behind the scenes of my latest reel video. I'm filming it in my bedroom, which is the first time I'm filming a reel in my bedroom here in Beaumont. So I've got my ring light over here ready to go. It is the real video for our new service launch, Pack Like a Pro. So I do have my suitcase set up here on my bed, and there's some jewelry. And, it is a packing video, but instead of using my well hung clothing, I'm just using some dirty laundry and some shoes, whatever. So nothing is glamorous behind the scenes of a real video, but there it is behind the scenes of the Pack Like a Pro launch video, real video. So there you go, guys. Behind the scenes of the latest AdFab Designs real video. And until next time, you better believe it. Bye.